New at 6, an advocacy group for those affected by drunk driving incidents is calling on Chatham County's top prosecutor to reconsider a policy dealing with punishment for those accused of driving under the influence. Sean Evans spoke with Georgia's executive director for Mothers Against Drunk Driving about the organization's concerns and what they say they'd like the district attorney to consider instead.
It was a concerned citizen that first tipped off Mothers Against Drunk Driving Georgia Executive Director Denise Brodsky that District Attorney Shalina Cook-Jones' office was looking to prosecute DUI cases differently. So at the end of last month, MAD sent a letter to DA Jones voicing their strong opposition to what they say is the proposed policy.
We want the district attorney's office to just listen to us and consider that what this does, it just lessens the consequences for these drivers and could inspire repeat offenders.
We requested a copy of the rubric detailing prosecution guidelines from District Attorney Jones' office weeks ago and have yet to receive one. But in the copy Matt attached to the letter to the DA, Brodsky says the proposed policy in the rubric would reduce a first-time DUI offense to a lesser charge of reckless driving if the circumstances don't reach a certain threshold.
And that allows that person to continue continue being unsafe and making the same mistake over and over again. And that personal choice is really going to, what we believe is going to create even more carnage on the roads.
Brodsky highlighted stats from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration in her letter, citing drunk driving deaths in Chatham County increased from 2019 to 2020, going from 8 to 12 deaths. Now, looking at the effect of any proposed weakening on DUI prosecution from a law enforcement perspective, Brodsky believes it would be frustrating.
Just knowing that that person may end up back on the road, I think that emotionally for an officer weighs heavy.
So far, the district attorney's office hasn't given us a comment on the letter Mothers Against Drunk Driving sent them, and at last check hasn't responded to MAD's request. In Savannah, Sean Evans, WTOC News.